Look, Daisy, an airplane! Skydiving must feel so exciting. I wish I could fly too. Ta-da! Look what I've got, Luna. Wow, it looks so cool. Let's go to the airport. We can't move because we don't have legs. This tail is not helping at all. Hello, are you two ready to board the plane?
This is my first time taking care of mermaid passengers.
How do we get them on the plane?
Oh no, I'm so confused. They didn't teach this in training.
I've got an idea.
Hurry, before those two tails scratch up the airport floor.
A silver wheelchair for the Silver Mermaid.
And a gold wheelchair for the Gold Mermaid. Hop on, girls!
Wait, if I sit like this, how will anyone see my outfit? Molly, I want to move, but I want to look pretty too.
Don't worry, I have something for you. It's super useful. Come on, let me help. Wow, everything is so sparkly. Now let's check the luggage again. All set. Ooh, so shiny.
Let's go! Woohoo! Look! Silver everywhere! Thanks, Molly. But wait, there's only one seat? My tail doesn't feel very comfy. Oh no, Molly! This isn't working!
I know, but only business class has big seats. Let me check.
Oh, an economy ticket.
For platinum class, you need 1,000 likes. Let's ask the audience for help.
Sweet friends, please support me. Look, that's a lot already.
Your ticket has been upgraded to platinum class. Time to upgrade.
Yeah, time for this mermaid to relax. Ouch! My back! Molly, help me!
Let's get started. This cardboard will be the frame. The shell shape will look so much better. Lots and lots of fluff to make it soft. Wrap it with this soft fabric. The cushion is starting to look good. Add a pearl trim to make it fancier. A few silver gems for some sparkle. Perfect. A fancy mermaid cushion is coming right up. Here's a super soft shell cushion for you to rest on.
Add a pillow, and the relaxing combo is complete. So relaxing, super comfy.
Here's your in-flight meal.
Oh, fish? It looks kind of familiar, but it's worth a try. I wonder if Daisy has eaten yet. Ah! Fried fish? Can't you see I'm part fish too? Oh, my poor little tail.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'll let that slide for now. But am I supposed to eat here? I need my own dining table.
Okay, coming right up. Let's clean this up a bit. Add a long table. Ta-da! The food looks yummy, right, Daisy?
No, nope, not at all. Not this food.
Let's see. Surprise!
Bingo! You know me best, Molly. So yummy. Now this is my first class meal. La la la, an airplane spa.
Let's do something special for our girl. I've got this piece of white foam. Come here, Luna. Let's measure your face. Hold still. Don't wiggle. Height first, then width. Trace the outline onto the foam. Cut along the outline. Done! Now spread the glue evenly over the surface. Wrap it with black foam fabric. Add extra glue around the edges to keep everything secure. Finally, attach the legs. Ta-da! A massage chair fit for a mermaid.
That tickles! Molly, that spot feels so funny.
Lying on your back will be much more comfy. Let's put on a silver face mask and cool cucumbers. It makes your hands nice and soft. And finally, a relaxing foot soak combo. Time for a foot soak, Luna.
But I don't even have feet to soak.
Sorry, Luna, I forgot.
It's okay. Yes, I'm so full. Molly, look at my belly. Molly, can you help me have some fun?
Then let's burn off those after-meal calories with a dance.
Whoa, awesome. Let's start right now.
The golden dance machine is coming. Ready to dance, Daisy?
10, 10, 10. Attention passengers, we have arrived at the skydiving point. Please get your backpacks Jump?
ready. And
Nobody told me we'd be flying.
Two mermaids have a wonderful flight.
Nope, nope, nope.
The skydiving
My fins
door is
don't
about
do
to
heights. I'm a little nervous. Are you sure this backpack works?
Wait, can I land on my tail?
We're ready. Let's jump. Woohoo! This is amazing. I can fly. Hey guys, we're Luna and Daisy.
We're on a mission to find ocean treasure! We're getting close! This is the spot!
The treasure has to be around here. Luna, look! We found it!
But it's locked.
Oh no!
How do we open this?
The key's gotta be around here somewhere. Where is it?
Maybe behind you?
OMG! Luna, look! A whole school of swordfish!
And 2 of them are gold and silver.
Catch them!
Okay! Got it.
Let's unlock it together.
Mimi, which floor should we decorate first?
Let's start upstairs. I've got a surprise for you. Shiny enough for you? What do you think?
Wait, what is this?
A chair. Sit on it.
Okay! Whoa, I'm getting dizzy.
Stop it, Luna.
Okay, I'm literally blacking out. It's so dark in here. I can't see anything.
Yeah, okay. It's kinda dark. Let me make you a lamp.
Wow! OMG, yes, thank you, Mimi. Okay!
This CD is super shiny. Cut it into pieces.
Wow!
Stick them together into a jellyfish shape. And jellyfish lamp done. Add a bookshelf for Luna and some decor. Reading room complete. What is Daisy doing?
I'm trying to use this mirror, but it's way too small. I can't even see one eye. I need a bigger, better mirror.
Relax, Daisy. I got you. What do you think about this seashell shape? Split the shell in half. Stick a mirror on one side. Use resin and glitter on the other half to make a table. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Cure it with a UV light. And boom! Mirror
Wow.
done. Wait, is that a fish? Oh wait, no, it's the mirror stand. My bad.
Now this size works. Thanks, Mimi.
No problem, gorgeous.
I need to dry my hair. Help me, Mimi. Okay. My hair is a mess.
Let me fix it. Sit right here, Daisy. This little octopus is here to help. These tentacles will get your hair perfect. Add some accessories. Wait, he ran away. It's fine. Still looks cute.
Thanks, Mimi.
I wonder what Luna is doing. Let me go check. What are you thinking, Silver Girl?
I want the second floor to be a living room.
Smart choice.
I want a sofa. Mimi.
Say less. We'll use foam shaped like a seashell. Use this cardboard as a template. Cut the sponge into a shell shape. Wrap it in glitter fabric. Add some silver beads. And boom! Seashell
Wow.
sofa done.
OMG! I love it! It's so comfy! I want a TV over in that corner.
Easy. Done.
Wow! Why isn't this thing turning on? Wait, I've got an idea. There's some seaweed over here. Stick it on as an antenna. Yes, it works! High five! This is my favorite show, Alien World. Those are tigers. Oh, the tiger just jumped out of the TV! I'm so scared!
What is Daisy doing? Just cleaning up. Ew, it smells. Where is that coming from?
Oh, it's me!
I'll finish cleaning. You go take a bath. Put the gold bathtub right here. Something feels off. Need help, Daisy? We're already underwater, so let's bathe in sand. Okay, that's actually smart. Here's some sand, super soft. Oh, a seashell. Sand bath ready. Relax, girl. This is my first sand bath, and this feels amazing. This corner needs a sink.
Look at our house. It's so pretty.
But the front yard looks kinda empty, right? Luna?
Agree.
Mimi, we want a playground. Let me
Hmm.
see. We can use this lid. Silver glitter for Luna, gold for Daisy.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. I wish I could slide down from here.
Use a chip can as a slide. Cut it in half. Shape it into panels. Glue it together, then paint it gold and silver.
And done.
This is awesome! Thanks, Mimi!
Get ready. Ready? Hey guys, it's Rumi and Zoe.
What are we doing today?
Today, you're opening your very own salon.
A salon? Wait, did I hear that right? So we get to glam up and relax all day?
But first, let this spinning decide your theme. Ooh, these themes look so fun! I'm kind of curious now.
Me first. Let me spin. I want Fluffy. Please give me Fluffy.
Fluffy! Ah!
Wait, what? Cardboard? Why is it cardboard? No, I don't want that.
Come on, Zoe. You're still gonna make a super cute salon.
Okay, thanks.
My turn now. Mimi, help me spin. Of course, Rumi. Yay! I got Fluffy! Now, let's check out the stuff you need to build your salons. Let's get started. Zoe?
I want a custom designed wall.
Got you, Zoe. Let me help. Oops, that's a lot of paper. Sorry, Zoe. Take these colorful strips and roll them into little circles like this. Glue them to hold the shape, then stick them onto the wall.
Wow, it looks so colorful and 3D. Do you guys like it as much as I do? Hit like button and let me know. It's coloring time! Come color with me, everyone. Which color should I pick? I'll go with this one.
Then I'll take this color. Draw any patterns you like.
Let me draw too. I love coloring. It was such a productive coloring session. We did it!
Here you go, Zoe.
What is it?
A super colorful rug.
Oh my gosh, I love it! It feels a little empty up here, Mimi. Let's hang this sign.
I'll give you a hand.
Thanks so much, Mimi. You're the best.
And one more sign to finish it off.
Beauty Salon! What about these leftover cardboard pieces? Maybe we can use them to make my name.
That's a great idea. Let's see what we can do with these extra pieces. Ta-da!
This is amazing! Woohoo! I love it, I love it! Hey, Rumi, where are you going?
My makeup suitcase is so heavy. My whole makeup collection is here. I'm ready to open my salon. But where do I put everything?
Take a little break. It'll all work out. Zoe, do you have any paper left? Can I borrow some?
I've got this extra piece. Will that work?
That's perfect. Thank you. Let's turn it into a heart-shaped mirror. Stick it onto any box. Pink is Rumi's favorite, so let's paint it pink. Use straws for the table legs. Add a little fluffy feather, because why not? And done! We've got a vanity table. Do you guys like it?
It's so pretty, and there's so much storage, too. I'm gonna display everything right here.
Let me help you relax. It's spa time, Rumi. Hand massage time.
That feels so good. My skin is so soft now. Can you do my makeup too?
Of course, Rumi. Full package service.
5-star service. Thank you so much, Mimi.
Why don't I have stuff like that, Mimi?
Hey, don't be pouty, Zoe. I made you a mirror.
This is amazing! You're such a good friend. Let me try smashing it with a hammer. Hi-ya! Witness my power!
Zoe, you goof. It's cardboard. It's not gonna break.
Comment and let me know.
Oh no, I don't have anything to wear.
Hold on, Rumi. Give me 1 minute. This fluffy wardrobe has tons of cute outfits for you to choose from.
Let me try them on right now. I can't wait.
Rumi, look! I made a paper outfit too. Do you like it?
We both look so cute. Let's sing a song together.
Here's a stage that mixes both fluffy and cardboard, just for you two.
This is so amazing! Let's sing a song!
surprise do Zoe and Rumi get today? We're so excited! Golden or cardboard? Pick a random card.
I'm going first. Which one? This one. Wait, hold on. I always get cardboard. I need to change my luck today. I'm picking this one instead.
It's cardboard,
Bro, what? Again?
which means Rumi gets golden!
Yeah, let's go!
Aw, Zoe, it's fate!
A real golden house. Okay, but how do we even decorate this?
I have 0 ideas, but first, you need a new outfit.
Oh my god. Dolly, this is gorgeous! Can we make the house extra sparkly? Like glitter explosion level?
Oh, absolutely.
Which color should we use?
This gold one is so your vibe, Rumi.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, let's make it shine. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I feel like I'm living inside a luxury star filter.
Rumi, you've got glitter all over your face.
Help me, Dolly!
Add a window, expensive view.
Dolly, help me with this side.
Got you. Tie it with this red velvet ribbon. So royal. Add this sparkly mirror. And a sofa with a bookshelf. Reading on this couch feels kind of rich, not gonna lie. And a piano. Rumi's a real artist. Add a few tiny details to make it feel cozy.
Oh no, this place looks real familiar. Yeah, definitely not my first cardboard house. Cardboard's boring. I need foam too. Dolly, help me cut it.
Okie dokie. Cut the foam into tiny little pieces.
These need more color. Now it's cute and comfy.
Time to add even more color. Rip the paper into little pieces. Yes! Stick them on the wall one by one. Rainbow wall complete, Zoe. This is giving art school vibes.
Wait, I've got an idea.
Ooh, these magazines have cute pictures. Perfect for wall decor. Let me grab more magazines. Cut out all the pretty pages.
This picture is so pretty, I'm making it into a window.
Draw a fake window frame around it. Look at this. I've got an Eiffel Tower view now.
Now let's make Zoe a cardboard sofa. Cut cardboard into panels. Glue them together. Build the couch shape. Add back cushions and armrests so it's comfy. Ta-da! Zoe's cozy chill corner is officially done.
Time to decorate the second floor. This is gonna be the bathroom.
Okay, but the walls need more drama.
Gold toilet but regular white toilet paper? No.
Gold toilet paper coming up.
Now that's what we talkin'.
Royal lights, gold tub too.
But, this bathroom has 0 privacy.
Relax, I'll make you a curtain. Use gold fabric and this red velvet cloth. Put them together, add some fancy details. Bend this wire into shape, slide the curtain onto it, and boom, luxury curtain complete.
Exactly what I wanted. Bath time.
And this is my second floor? Dolly, turn it into a game room. But first, I need a new outfit.
Okay, Zoe. Decorate the walls with an ocean theme. Add some darts and number targets. Use the colored paper from earlier. Draw circles and cut them out. Fold them into flower petals. Stick all the pieces together into a rainbow flower. And that's rainbow flower complete. And boom, Zoe's game room is done.
Rumi, come play with me! Rumi, are you showering? Oh, hey, Zoe. I'm almost done. I'll be there in a sec. Wow, that bath was refreshing. But, how do I get over there?
I got you.
Oh!
Whoa, thanks, Rumi. Come play with us, guys.